What's good? How we doing? Good morning. I got to go up a little bit today. SMT Hunter, Nelson, Zishan, Tony, Ian, Zay, Waffles, Donald. Who else we got in here? Carolina. Hey, finally, maybe going live here will give me the dump that I've been looking for this entire move. Holy. I really don't want to be holding this into the open, but I went through the work of this. I'm really looking to get paid a little bit on it. It's kind of looking for this retest of 50. Will I hold it into the open? Probably. Don't want to. Paul, good morning. How we all doing? It's Friday. It's giveaway Friday. Free account Friday. Let's go. Triple screen setup. Oh, you got to take a picture and let me see it. Massive moves and NFP. What is NFP? Oh, non-farm payroll. Gotcha. Guys, if anyone's new here, you will find out really quick that in the morning, my brain does not function correctly. Blew my 3 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts yesterday, so salty. Damn, that sucks, Cody. Markets only go up apparently. That's how I feel right now. And look at this. Look at this move. Originally, it kind of went down. God, look at this. It's going right back to the highs. I should have just took it off. I thought we might get a break, but now it just looks like a fake break. Should have just took it off for a couple hundred. I wanted to try to get paid on it. But now it just looks like it wants to go straight back to the highs. I was down a decent amount on this, so I was willing to try to let this come back. I was down.
Zay
like
Saint became a member.
Zay, what's going on? Welcome to the crew, man. May the ticks and the marble rolls be in your favor, sir. Yeah, we'll be doing the giveaway today. We'll end with the straight to funded or lightning funded account from Tradeify. You do have to be a member for that. We'll be doing some other account giveaways today where you don't have to be a member. Man, I really do not like this trade going into the open now. I wish I was kind of paying more attention when it popped back up here. I probably would have just took it off. I know that feeling. I blew my MyFunded Futures account $75 from passing. That sucks ass. If we can get back down towards 75 here going into the open, I'll hold it. If we're kind of floating around up here, I might just take the loss. I don't want to see this blow through the highs at the open. A nice little triple top essentially here would be nice. Still got 2 minutes. I was really hoping we'd get the dump before the open, so I didn't even have to be in the trade at the open. And we still might, I guess. 2 minutes can do some things. I really don't want to be in this trade at the open, especially at the highs, because this thing could just... Although we've seen when we have big candles like this from news at 8:30, typically we don't get big candles at the open because the big candles kind of already happened, but I'd rather not chance it. Especially because we're just chopping in the middle here, right? I'd rather just cut my losses, and if we do get the push, I can get back in. Ooh-wee! What's up, Donovan? How you doing this morning? Need sounds turned on, please? Are they not turned on? They should be. Oh, hold on. It says it's not connected. It's probably going to like make me verify or something. Okay. It should work now. It should be connected. All right, we got 1 minute. If we can get down towards 75 going into the open, let's hope that we get a nice
Zay
little
Saint
push
super
here.
chatted $10, sending good luck your way for open.
Zay, I appreciate that, man. Hopefully we get this push down. I might get greedy. I might get a little greedy here if we are pushing lower at the open. Got 30 seconds here. It'd be nice to just get the dump now and just be done with it before the open. Let's see if it happens. It just sucks because it's like we could take it for 200 bucks right here, but like I said, I went through the pain of this trade. I want to get paid on it. But I am probably cutting this at the highs if it goes straight there at the open, which it's looking like it might. See what happens. Shoot it down. Shoot it down. I'm not going to get greedy. If it just gives me that, I'll take it. There it goes. Go, 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 go. No. You suck. It's going to go back to the highs.
Stop filled.
That close. That close. And are you kidding me? Is it really going to... Are you kidding me? Oh, no. I knew in my heart I should have just took it off. But here we are. Oh, no. Oh, no. That is so brutal. That's so brutal. It makes me want to just get back in. No, what am I
Order
doing?
filled.
What am I doing? Oh my god. I'm tilting. I'm tilting because now I'm going to have to cut this at the highs again. I need to just get out of this.
Order filled.
Oh, it's so dumb. Why didn't I just take the 200 bucks before the open? It was the smartest thing to do. It's just dumb. I'm not going to tilt. I'm not going to tilt. I can't have some new guys coming in here and see me trading like this. This is not how I trade. Good morning. Good morning. How we all doing? Yeah, I'm not going to tilt. I am going to try to get back to even though. I know I'm still alive. I'm gonna hope to get a big push one way or the other. I just 900.75. It went to 902. Literally, essentially a top tick. That's brutal. And then it immediately came back down and would have filled me. Cody, yeah, I feel you. I feel you. GDT, are you here by the way? Speaking of which, Purple Friday. Let's go. Here comes that 850 test, just like we wanted. What a joke that they ran that up to the highs like that. What a joke.
Order filled.
This is so dumb. This is so dumb. Do not do what I'm doing. I'm essentially just trying to take trades that I think will get me back to green real quick. And if it works, it's not a good trade. But I'm not gonna be mad at it. It's just gonna tease me and say, haha, you're an idiot. See? See? And now it's gonna go back to the lows.
Order filled.
All right. I'll take it. Josh, good morning. Well, I'm trying. So if I ever try to scalp like this, I mean, we were getting close to the bands. I wanted to see if it would try to fake out. That was kind of the idea behind that trade. And then I'm not looking for any more than that middle band. If I ever trade like this, if I'm looking for quick scalps, that's all I'm looking for is just something like that where it's a obvious fake out. I'll get back in on the way up and I'm just looking for the quick scalp. And the only reason I'm doing that is because at the open, it's very easy to get 10 points like that. It's still not a good trade. Oh, I know it's a pretest from pre-market. That's why I had my order there looking for it before it went up and just stopped me out like that. Jen, good morning. Jen, you're not green. I think they're about to turn it over 900 in the next 10 minutes. Ooh. Oh, 900. Never mind. That's not that far. Yeah, that could be a quick little scoop. I like to try to catch reversals or scalp when it chops. I'm not too good at directional where it goes straight up or down. I always seem to sell low or buy high when that happens. Well, I typically don't trade a lot. This is way more than I typically trade. It's just the non-farm payroll kind of went a little bit ham this morning. So I was trying to take a little bit of an advantage, and it got dicey for a little while. I actually did blow my Traders launch account. That was I was only $500 away from passing that thing to get to the next stage, and I blew it. I think I got in here. The problem with that one is the drawdown is so close, and not only is the drawdown really close, but you only can have two minis, so it's tough. Yeah, it's less drawdown, and you only get too many contracts. You could use micros, and I probably should have used micros this morning because I was only $500 away anyway. Josh, what's going on? Yeah, I mean, that was totally on me. I mean, and I don't typically trade unless the price gets near these bands. So as you can see, I was being a little bit more aggressive this morning. I was just sitting here, and I noticed that it made this move, and I honestly was just looking. I had an order out. Like, let me draw a line. When we came back up and broke this line here, when I got in here, I was just looking for the retest there, and my order was sitting like right here, and we just never got it. And then it just never came back until now. And that was how I ended up in that trade. I can't believe that, man. That's so frustrating. For it to then just come right back down and it would have filled me. So frustrating. They are cheap. CD sucks. Do you have CD Lamb in yours? I don't remember. I was going to show you something, GDT. I was browsing shorts on YouTube this morning, and look at what popped up real quick.
They're charging fans $920 for 5 hours in an empty stadium, but it might be the best deal in all of sports. See, even though NFL stadiums regularly cost billions of dollars to build and maintain, they're really only utilized 8 to 10 times per year. Sure, some
Oh, damn, that sucks.
college games during off days, but for
This literally popped up on my shorts. How crazy is that? Where's my camera?
The Baltimore Ravens decided to start selling stadium access to fans during the offseason. But what they've managed to create is one of the coolest experiences I've ever
You can't hear it?
Every August, the Ravens open up M&T Bank Stadium for one day for fantasy leagues to host their drafts. But that's not even close to the best part, because this
it's that package you were talking about that you brought up yesterday about doing the draft, and they feed you and whatnot, and you can do your draft.
All you can eat food and drink.
That's what that is. It literally, it's a guy who made a video about it, and it popped up on my shorts. Jen, welcome back to being a member. Appreciate the support as always. Make sure you stick around for the members only giveaway later today, probably around like 10:30. I'm very eager to trade right now. I will trade if we come down and touch 800. Well, I mean, this looks like it's going to make a full V. I can't believe that, man. GDT, does this look familiar? Can you see it? Let me zoom in. Check that shit out. Remember when I used to post those back in the day? It's been a while since I've had one of those. The job data was terrible. Can't believe it went up so much pre-market. Oh, you know, manipulation is manipulation. Auto renew doesn't go through. Yeah, I've had other people mention that as well. Because they'll be like, wait, I'm not green? I'm like, I don't know. Or check your credit cards or bank accounts. Let me get marbles rolling, by the way, or at least let me get it set up. For anyone that is new here, all you have to do to enter these giveaways is type !marbles once I get it started. Make sure I have it started, or else it won't put you in the list. So let me click over here, click start marbles, hit start giveaway, !marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. You got 10 minutes. Yeah, I was pretty sad about the Traders launch account, because I I'm looking forward to working with them. I just can't seem to get an account moving over there. Funded future. As always, Josh is the man. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You know what? First race of the day. Whoever makes it closest to the end. Whoever makes it closest to the end on the golf course will get a 50K Tradeify Advanced account. So we'll do a giveaway right away. 50K Advanced Tradeify accounts. All you got to do is be the one who lasts the longest or makes it the furthest. I don't want to say last the longest because sometimes the person who lasts the longest isn't the one who makes it the furthest. I am feeling generous today. I'm in a good mood today. Even though I got top ticked, I'm in a pretty good mood today. Welcome to the jungle, bitch! How does that just not get you going? Anyone else who is new in here, if you type exclamation point sounds, we kind of have a little bit of a soundboard going. There's a bunch of commands you can type to play some sounds if you're interested in that. Non-farm payroll Friday, it sure was.
Pussy! Pussy!
He needs some milk.
He needs some milk. Oh, you gotta give him the Haktua and spit on that thing. Yep, doesn't look a good impersonation. That's a good one. I like that one. The OG sound is disabled? No, you just gotta type it right. You just gotta type it right. Where is it in there? Let's see. Oh, I do have it. Oh, what the heck? I thought I heard it. Maybe not. What's going on with that? Oh, I have it in there wrong. It's spit, not Hawktua. Why did I put Hawktua? Maybe just because I knew that's what it was saying. Wait, what is there one that's shit? What is that one?
Trouble though, pal. I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit for breakfast?
Anyone here trade crude oil?
No.
What a short it has been lately. What's Oxy at? Where's Froggo? What's Oxy? My computer, the sounds are way louder than your mic picking up your voice. Oh, it's somewhat designed that way. It's supposed to be a little bit of a jump scare. I mean, if everyone agrees it's too loud, I can turn it down. I kind of like it though. That was kind of the point, is to make it fun. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Closest to the end of the map gets a 50K advanced account. Get them in. Get them in.
Gotta give him that hawk. Gotta give him that hawk. Spit on that thing. Spit on that thing.
There you go. There you go. I have to turn up your stream to hear you compared to other streamers, so the sounds definitely get loud, but only because your mic is soft. That's so weird. I wish, you know what, let me show you. So on my screen, look right here, this middle one. Oh, you can't see it. Okay, go. See, it says mic. It goes all the way up on mine, like almost to the red. If I hit the red is clipping. So I can't make it go into the red, because if I make it go into the red, then it's gonna clip. Like if, here, I'll give you an example. Like now that I'm talking like this, when I talk a little bit louder, it's probably cutting it off, right? So I can't do that. I got to keep it down here in the yellow. All right, but that's what I'm saying. So I have it set to where it should be. So I don't know if it's just that the other YouTubers are like blasting the sound, but according to me, it's right where it should be. And then I have my desktop. Oh, I can turn that off, but that's when I'm playing like YouTube or something. But Spotify, you can see I have that down here, so it shouldn't be that loud. And then when you guys play sounds, they are loud, but they go right to where my voice is. They never go into the red. Here, let me try one. Just do a fart. So watch this. Oh, dang it. Can't see that bottom bar, can you? Let's do this. Here you go. So watch the bottom bar. See how it goes right into the yellow, right where my voice is? So to me, it's all lined up. So I don't know why it's like that for you guys. So there's a 3-minute cooldown wallet on each of the commands, just so you know. So like if someone uses it, you got to wait 3 minutes to use it again. You just got used to turning it on. Well, I'm sorry that you have to. I feel kind of bad about that. I mean, I know what you're talking about, because there's certain YouTubers that I have to do that for as well. Scares you every time. I mean, you're kind of making me feel bad. Is that like that for everybody, where the sounds that come through are that much louder?
He needs some milk.
That was legitness.
Why is it playing the milk one when no one typed in the milk one? The best deal on Traders Launch? It is pretty good. Code VOLA, by the way. Oops. Now we're just kind of chopping, which kind of sucks. You got 1 minute, 40 seconds for marbles. Get them in. I'm going to start getting it loaded up. Thank you, Josh. Yeah, code VOLA will always get you the best discount. It's kind of how we roll around here. That's for any of the prop firms that I support. Not letting me drag more. There, good. Start getting all the members in that are here. I don't know. This kind of feels like it wants to move lower. Kind of getting those wicks. Couldn't get back up towards the highs. But they could just be faking it out again. Who knows? This is why I try to stay away from the open as much as possible. All right, we got Cody, Trading, or Zishan, Zay, Josh, Jen, Jason, Donald, Emmy. Got lots of members here this morning. Let's go. Jen, did you enter? You just entered before. Oh, no, you're in there. You're good. You're good. All right, let me get you guys your extra marbles. Yeah, if you're a member as well, during the normal giveaways, you get 2 extra marbles on the track. Just an FYI. It's a perk. So the perks of being a member on the channel are you get 2 extra marbles for each of the giveaway races, and every Friday I do a members only giveaway for a straight to funded / lightning funded account from Tradeify. So all you got to do is be here and enter. And there is not, I guarantee you could ask every member here that they have already made way much more. Well, not made more like in as far as dollars, but they've gotten more in accounts, like the cost of accounts versus how much they've paid to support the channel. So it's kind of a way for me to help keep the scammers out, the ones who have multiple accounts, because a lot of people aren't gonna, the people who are trying to scam accounts, like with 10 alt accounts and they enter them into every race, those same people aren't going to pay $10 for all those accounts to try to win the accounts. I mean, they might, but the odds are they're not going to. How many members are present for the giveaway? Well, it used to be like 5, but now it's usually like 10-ish. Stop telling everyone. I'm just, I try to be fair. I try to be fair. I have to have my sound all the way up on my laptop and barely hear you, but sounds are loud enough. I have not the best speakers on my laptop. Interesting. Yeah, the odds right now are really good. It may eventually turn into where it's a little harder, but as of right now, everyone who's a member, like Donald just said, it's their little secret. Because I've been doing this for months, for over a year, and we're still where we are, and I'm not going to stop doing it. So the people that have been here since the beginning have been taking advantage, and hey, why wouldn't you? Here's your 900 touch. It's coming. You were right. All right, I'm going to get marbles up and running, but I am going to watch the chart here. At 52. Remember, this first race is going to be closest to the end. Hopefully you win. That'd be cool. You win and you get the cash and the account. That'd be pretty cool. Cash is still in play, but the closest to the end will win a 50K advanced account from Tradeify. All I need is for you to message me in Discord and prove you are who you say you are. Few of us have been members since you turned the feature on. I know. Wink face. I appreciate you guys so much. That was the other thing. A lot of people were just coming in here and it was like brand new people I had never heard. Whoa! They said so much for your 900 touch. Holy smokes. It was a lot of people who were coming in winning and then we'd never see them again, right? And I was like, I don't like that. I want to give the accounts to people that I know and have been here and that support me and are here mostly every day. Like, I want to give the accounts to them. So I pressed the nuke button. If someone pressed the nuke button, this candle would be way bigger. Way bigger. Market is making September interesting. What will September 15th bring? I don't know. What is September 15th? Oh, speaking of which, everyone I told that I might be going to the Orioles game, I lied. They finally set Shohei Ohtani's next date to pitch, and it's effing Monday. They play us Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then he is now scheduled to pitch on Monday. I was like, are you kidding me? So I will not be going to the Orioles game this weekend. They wouldn't bother with the You're not wrong. You're not wrong. But the O's have been playing well, man. How did it feel to sweep the Padres? And they essentially are like the old Orioles. I mean, they got Manny, they had Laureano, they got O'Hearn. Don't they have one other person too? It was funny, like watching us sweep them. It just kind of made me laugh. Yeah, it's like the O's are no slouch, man. Did you guys watch? Go watch GDT. Go watch John Boy's the new MLB alignment video that he put out. It's genius. Absolutely genius. I really hope I hope it happens. Like, it would solve all the issues. As of 8:30 last night, baseball is dead to me. Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't even check how I did in fantasy. Oh, you know what? Let's run marbles first. Let's run marbles first, and I'll do that after. All right, here we go. This is for $155 cash money, obviously, but this race is special because whoever gets closest to the end wins a 50K advanced account from Tradeify. Good luck. Here we go. Completely random if you're new here. And then, you know what? The next race that we do, we'll do another giveaway. Oh! Chico Peaky just went over the edge. I haven't seen someone do that in a long time. He was a little antsy. Cheeky Peaky. Wow, look, people are... Oh, no, those are balls to the face already. Andrew1232, what's going on? Cheeky Peaky, that's not a good thing. You got absolutely... You went free falling without a parachute. All right, so for anyone who is new here, this is a death map. So the odds of finishing it are very low. I started the giveaway at $100. I'm raising it $5 every week. As you can tell, we're at 155, so you can do the math. So the idea is to just beat the map, but it's very hard. I have made some modifications to make it easier. I am not making any more modifications because we, every day, get pretty close to the end. It's just a matter of it lining up correctly. We haven't had it line up correctly at the end for someone to win, but it's going to happen. It's just a matter of time. The other giveaways, the ones I do that you'll see later, it's a map that is not like this. Someone is almost always guaranteed to win. It's just a matter of who wins. It's completely random, and it kind of makes the giveaways a little bit more fun to do. And it's just something, you know, it's a little different than just watching a wheel spin around or, you know, those silly duck races that some other streamers do, etc. It gives it some spice, you know. All right, Jen about to get hammered and head towards the end. The idea is to come up here and see the flag. There's a little hole there. You got to get in there. Jen might. You don't touch it too early. It's got to stay up. It's got to stay up. Hit it. Hit it. Did it hit hard? Nope, didn't hit hard enough. Too much front spin. Jason, that looks a little too far right. Yep. Jen, however, this is going to be perfect. It's going to go right into this corner. It's going to slow it down. We're going to go right into the hole. Drop down into the cone, which I've made much bigger. And now we got to avoid the lasers. There used to be a bump here as well. That was the other thing I got rid of. So you got to get by those lasers. Whoa, what happened to you, Donna? How did you get up here like that? Cody said, get out of my way. Here we go. Down across the bridge. Got to avoid the lasers. Go. Oh, they came for you. Down under. He is from Australia. We figured this out yesterday. Can he make it down under past the lasers? No. Jason. Jason. All right. This is the next phase. So now we go down. You got to get hit or go into one of these holes inside of there. It's got to hit. It's going to hit. Stay up. Yes. And in the hole. The hole doesn't matter after that point. But here we go. This is the final spot. There's 4 lasers and then these pegs. All you got to do is get... Oh, he's already going for it. 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 No! You had the speed and everything. Ah. No. But that's it. That was it. That's literally how you beat this. You just have to roll off, but it has to be when one of these line up. That's it. It's very possible. It just has to line up. Jason, congrats, my man. 50K advanced account. Do you want it, Jason, or do you want me to run it back? I'm going to run it back anyway. Jason sometimes, you know, he's a little like, I don't want that account. So I'm going to ask him just to verify. Run it back, let someone else win. See, Jason's the man. Let's do it. Jason's the man. Jason, where are we going to lunch next? You did get one a few weeks ago. That is true. Keep in mind, if you're a member and you win some accounts and stuff like that, you can win multiple accounts throughout the month. It used to be you could only win one of each account throughout the month, but now that's not the case. Now you can win, if you somehow get lucky enough to win all 4 straight to funded accounts throughout the month, you can. It's possible. Speaking of which, I may bring my laptop on the cruise in a couple weeks. I'm not sure yet though. We'll see. But I've been thinking about it. It's going to be just me and the wife, so I figured I could wake up and hang out with you guys for a little bit. I haven't won since April. Yeah, but Jen, you won like 15 in a row. Do you remember that? You like could not lose. We literally would start a giveaway and we're like, why are we even doing the giveaway? Just give it to Jen. I know it wasn't 15 in a row, but it felt like it. Ask everybody else. I bet everyone else felt like it was 15 in a row. We all remember, Jen. What did Waleed say? Did he say something and I missed it? You want to join? You should be in there. Did you not? You can get in the next one. I always run 2. Making a move down on the chart. I'm watching it. 800 touch. I might be looking to get in here. I haven't won in life. You're alive, aren't you? Sounds like a win to me. We were so happy for it. I only won an advanced and a straight to funded. I feel like you've won more than twice. That can't be true. I'd have to go check, but I feel like you've definitely won more than twice. Oh, too much front spin. No. M8. Oh, what the heck? It did it again. That's crazy. I don't think I've seen it do that. Now I've seen it do it twice. All right, looking for the push through 800. Donovan's looking for the lasers to go away. Tony. Ooh. Josh. Holy smokes. Josh went shooting through there. Josh looking like he might get it. Oh, did not stay up. Cody, you're on the wrong side. I got a feeling Josh might want to give the account away too. He just told me he hasn't traded in like over a month. All right, Josh, up to you. What do you want to do? You want me to run it back for someone else, or you want it? Oh, you'd win the coins back? That's true. Run it back. Yeah, I would say Josh hasn't been trading, so I doubted he'd won it. You might hear an order filled here shortly. Oh, no, never mind. It's bouncing. Everyone's like, come on, man. I ain't traded in months.
Order filled.
Hey. Okay, so now if anyone wins, they will feel like a jerk since everyone else ran it back. Nah, don't feel that way. Jason, I think, just doesn't like the advanced accounts. Josh hasn't traded in months. He's just here supporting. So I think it just happened to be them. That's all. It will be about pass it to the next person and double it. No double in it. If NQ rejects 845 on the way back. How about this? If someone beats the map, I will give you the opportunity to take it or double it. How about that? When someone finally beats the map, I'll give you the option, whoever it is, to take it or double it. Well, Jason, it's okay. You can win multiples, my man. You want it? It's still yours if you want it. I'm taking that account. If I win, I'm taking that account. Screw y'all. As I would say famously, I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. Jason, I need to clip that. You know how to begin. I don't even remember what song it is, but at the very beginning of the song, there's a girl and she's just like, Jason. For Jason Derulo. I mean, I'm sure I could find it. I need to clip that. You know, I'm gonna find it right now while the Marbles race is going, because the chart. I need to get rid of my order off the chart. I had an order sitting at like 792 in case it went straight down through 800, but it did not. Morning Bear. Morning Bear should make it in the hole. Oh, not if Emmy like does something weird. Nope. Okay, they're both gonna make it. It's basically whoever makes it across the bridge has got a really good chance. Morning Bear. Let's go. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Yes! We got another shot. This is awesome. I can't remember the last time we've had 2 shots like this in the first 3 races. I saw my name. I was getting excited for a second. Visible ID. Oh, I thought you were across the bridge for a second. Oh, Morning Bear's going for it. It's going for it. Oh, get around that laser. Go, 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 go. Oh my goodness, dude. Are you kidding me? No, Donald, are you good? No way. Donald comes and steals it. No way. Could you imagine? Morning Bear essentially made it all the way to it, just didn't line up again. Imagine Donald. Oh, wait. Okay. All right. Imagine Donald steals it and also win. That's the only way you can steal it at this point, right? Nope, laser. Oh, oh. No way. No. Oh, what the fuck? Not gonna make it. I think Morning Bear wins because they flew further. Morning Bear, winner. Wow, that's crazy. 2 of them made it. Guys, we're getting close to beating this thing. What a way to get started with marbles. Let's go. Yeah, Morning Bear definitely wins. That was definitely the closest to the end. Morning Bear, all I need you to do, join the Discord and take a screenshot of, here, I'll show you. We do this quick because we might get a oh, hold on. Looking for like down in the 70s. So I need you to go into your YouTube, take a picture of, click your avatar right here, and I need you to take a screenshot of this and send it to me on Discord, and I'll give you the code for the 50K advanced account. Congratulations. I got an order out. Let's see if we can't get it filled. Meanwhile, let's get the next marbles race going. We're going to go back-to-back giveaways here. The next giveaway is going to be for a 100K evaluation from Traders Launch. A 100K evaluation. I believe it's the full hours 80%. Josh can correct me if I'm wrong. The exclusive discount for Traders Launch, it is code VOLA. VOLA. So when you're signing up, just put VOLA in the coupon code or wherever it says to put it when you're signing up, and it will give you the discount. I'm still interested in a trade here. I don't know if I like it that close, though. Yeah, why not? Just be looking for... Oh, I don't like the new candle. Let's go a little lower. Go for 69. If we get in, I'm just looking for a retest of the previous candle. Let's double the win? What do you mean? Do you not want the account, Morning Bear? VOLA won't work for me? Josh? Question mark? Josh is my Traders Launch guy, so they're saying that the code is not working. Josh is the one that set it all up for me, so yell at him. Oh, you want to win again? Got it, got it. Yeah, I want you to win again too. That failed to apply coupon. Yeah. All right. Give Josh a sec. He'll go get it figured out. Man, we just can't get that extra push. I want my money back from earlier. I should have just held my short. Look, I'd be rich right now. Meanwhile, get your marbles in. Exclamation point marbles. And By the way, Morning Bear, Discord link right here. Just find me in the Discord, shoot me a message. Just take that screenshot and I will send the code your way. Grab the code real quick, actually. I don't think we're gonna get filled. Maybe we will. Let's see. Let's be going for the retest if we can get it. Is it gonna give it? Nope. This market, man. Just can't get the extra push. Down we go. Let's go right above 60. Bunch of fake outs. Bunch of fake outs. VOLA does not get you a discount, just gets Tim commission. No. It's 80% split. Yeah, it would be I know the giveaway is for 80% split, and it's 80% split and the full hours, or the 22 hours or whatever it says. Jem, we're talking about Trader's launch. All right, coming back down again. See if we can get a push. I kind of want to go lower because it's not even 15 points. I don't like that we're at the $0.50 though. And we are kind of getting close to the lows as well. I have to play it a little more careful here. The good thing about Trader's Launch is no sim funded. Once you make the buffer, you get put into live capital. Yeah, that is really cool. That's actually one reason I think they are really cool. They're not new, but they are starting to kind of make a push. They remind me of like Take Profit Trader a little bit. Once you get live, there's not really any rules. It's just a matter of building your buffer, and then you can take your payouts. It's either 80% or 55% in either 9:30 to 4 or 6 to 4. Yeah, it's either New York time or like all hours, or New York market or all hours, and then you can choose 80% or 55% profit split. And it's based on how much you want to pay, right? Obviously, it's a little bit more for more hours, and it's a little bit more for the higher profit split. But most people, I would say, are only trading New York anyway, so it's not going to affect most people choosing the hours, but yeah, they've been around since 2023. How many days does it take you to get put in live after buffer? I would assume it's right away. And I think it's pretty automated, would be my guess. Josh can clarify that for me. I mean, I think what he was saying is they like pause, you just have to sign some paperwork, and then you go live. Yep, there's no consistency after you pass. There is it 40% consistency for the eval? That's it. So it's going to take you 3 days to pass the eval. Once you pass the eval, it is free game, essentially. Just be careful because the stop loss is a lot closer than most as well. So on a 100K account, it's only $800 in drawdown. So you got to be careful with that. You always blow it before buffer. Yeah, I know the feeling. I just did it myself on that account, so I feel you. How do we not go to the lows here, huh? See a big push through 50. Kind of what I'm looking for now, which would be right around the low of that non-farm payroll. Come on, do it. Marbles, you got 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Get them in. Come on, big push through 50. Go, 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 go. No. No bounce. Just go. Go. Just can't help itself. Just can't help itself. Go. Don't you dare just poke through. Don't you dare just poke through. Go. 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 Oh, come on. Now I kind of want to go lower. Oh, there we go. Go, 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 go. No, stop bouncing, man. Nobody likes a bouncer. Let's go for it. Give us the extra push. Go, 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 go. I really want to try this, but it keeps doing its thing here. It's not giving me that extra push. Now it feels like it might go crazy. We're at the lows here.
Order filled.
I was going to try to cancel that, but kind of feels like it wants to do a quick little pop again, just trying to get previous candle. Don't really want this to go back against me. It's probably a dumb entry because I was kind of seeing if we'd bounce off that non-farm payroll, but kind of probably a dumb entry because if it doesn't bounce here, we could be going to the lows. All right,
Order filled.
we'll take 200 bucks there. Very scary trade though. That could have went bad really quickly. Longs are now like right. Look at this from 8:30 till now. At that point, no long could possibly be green, right? Because we're back down to the low of the non-farm payroll, even if you bottom tick that somehow. So no one can be green. So if a lot of people are, they're all these longs are underwater now. And so what's that mean? This thing could just dump like it might. I would absolutely love a push right here. This is almost A plus. Full dollar. Low a day. I mean, A plus would be like 70, 75 or something. This is so hard not to just jump in now.
Order filled.
See if we can get the non-farm payroll push there. I'm going to leave this order out because I like it. We're going to see if 700 bounces. $700's trying to bounce. Not quite. Not yet. I don't hate if this order gets filled down there. I'd like to see it bounce now. Obviously, because I'm in it, but... Pretty big candle. Just looking for the retest of the non-farm payroll candle over there. Get down just a little. Front run it if it does bounce. Might want to move my order down a little bit too, because it's the current low. It might spike through. It's definitely trying to get to that low. There it goes. Quick little fake there. Didn't really like go through. I might switch over to the other account if I get this fill and try to get an entry over there. I'm bouncing back up. Again, just looking for the retest up here. Needs to get back through 700 first. I don't think this is a hard thing to ask for. It's really not that far, especially on such a big candle like that. If it does... there it goes. Go, go, go.
Order filled.
I'll take it. That was a nice trade. That was like 300. Get rid of this. Oops. This order. I was going to say, if it gets up close to it, I was not going to let it come back against me again. Ideally, I'd love to see this reject here and come right back down. I would love to just scalp this the whole way. I don't want to see it come back into range and start chopping again. Steen, what's up? Good morning. That 845 short would have been a good trade. I didn't have the confidence to take it after the bullish move. Yeah, it's hard to take a short off of that. It's true. The drawdown is a big turnoff. You're not wrong. Not very good with Discord. Join the channel but cannot find you. All right, we are getting the bounce back down. Took short and almost hit my stop loss, but I survived. Nice, let's go. Nice, I'm done for the day. Not messing with this anymore. I'll mess with this all day. If we can keep the action, I am not afraid of it. But yeah, if Besh, is it you? Oh yeah, hold on. Yeah. Z, I love it. Nice, looks good. I am Vesh. Yes, in the Discord. The one up top that says owner. Just click on my name on the right side and hit message, or it should pop up a thing where you can message me. Let's go. Come on, get back down here. Love to see it down like 65 area. Where are we going? Take a quick look at the daily here. Oh, we're just coming back into the range. Oh, that was a nice little breakout. Headed back to the all-time highs, and now we're kind of coming back into that range. See if we can get this extra push. That's a big candle. Go, 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 go.
Order filled.
Let's go. That was a nice push. See if we can get it right back up. Those are the candles we're looking for. Get up there. Get up there. No, you dog.
Order
Nice.
filled.
Let's go. Another 300. That's the candle where that was beautiful. What did we missed it by like 5 points, but that's not bad. I'll take that all day. I kind of want to switch accounts now. That's pretty good on that account. Maybe we'll switch accounts. Let's go back to the big account. I need to hopefully make some money on this one. Make money Friday. Let's go. Yeah, this is kind of a scalper's dream as long as it keeps giving us the good moves. Oops. I'll be looking for like 30 around 35 if it wants to give it to me. And then I'd be looking for the retest of 50. There's just a bunch of longs trapped right now. Eventually we'll get a pretty big push back up, but right now we don't have to worry about that. Right now we're just seeing if it can continue to go down, and we'll just keep scalping it. The key is just being patient with the entries. And here's what I mean by that, right? You get in anywhere here looking for a reversal, and then you get this dump, you're trapped, right? You're effed. So that's why you have to be patient with your entries. That's why when I took the entry here, I was scared, right? Even though these were 3 big red candles in a row, I was still scared because I knew that this could happen at this point, right? The lows were like right here somewhere. Everyone was trapped. That was long. And so if you start this early before you get the big push down, you could be in a lot of trouble. So it's really just about patience. Wah! What's up? Good morning. We filled the gap from last night. Dang. All right, let's see. I'd be looking for somewhere down here around 30. These are some big candles too.
Pussy!
What'd you call me? The marbles race is essentially ready to go. I just need to I just need the chart to stop providing opportunity. If it keeps providing opportunity, I'm gonna stay here. Obviously, this is more important. Go. I've been a little bit more aggressive too. Like, I haven't been waiting for the bands exactly, but we've been getting pretty darn close to them. All right, so this is kind of the signs of a reversal starting, okay? And the reason I say that is look at the bottom wicks. We got a green candle, and then look at when we made a new low. Look at when we made new lows up here. We shot way down, right? It tried to bounce, shot way down. Shot back up here, and then what happened when we got to the low? Shot way down. This time, it's not shooting way down, right? It's bottom wicking, and it's only going through by like a couple points or so. That's the signs that we might start to reverse here. So if you're someone that likes to look for like actual reversal trades, this might be a good spot to look for a long, and then you have an obvious stop out point, right? So you have to know what you're risking, but you have a very obvious stop out point, and this is starting to give signs that we might reverse. Is it going to? I don't know. I like to look at volume as well, and the volume is not pointing in the direction of a reversal yet, because usually you get like one big candle with a lot of volume. We haven't got that. So in my eyes, I'd still be playing this very carefully. And I am still looking for that big candle down. Oh, they ran in. Oh, there it goes. I was gonna say they ran into another buyer at that same price point.
Order filled.
I was hoping, but it's starting to feel like it doesn't want to give us that extra push. I'm gonna shoot it down a little bit more, actually. It's so hard not to want to get in here, but there's just not enough meat on the bone. I don't want to get caught early either. Candle's about to tick over in 5 seconds. Oh, it's so hard because you know it does it on these engulfing candles. Ugh! It does it every time. It's so frustrating. I want to hit the button so bad when I see that. I really always want to hit the button when I see that. When it's an engulfing candle and it's a huge candle like this and the next candle's about to start, I say it all the time. It like always does this. I need to really start paying more attention to it. Like actually put some money where my mouth is with it. Yeah, this is a pretty big move down. I'd say it started here. So from 821, we're down at 628, almost 200 points. I'd assume if it does try to bounce, we'll bounce somewhere around 725 just to retest that non-farm payroll somewhere in here. Let me draw that line actually. I would assume if we do bounce, it's going to be somewhere around there. Formula One's in Italy today. I mean, they're already there, but I bet a lot of people got trapped in that failed bull flag. This right here. Don't people look at this as a short though? Like these lines here? I don't really pay too much attention to these anymore, but don't they look for the break of these? Or are you talking? Oh, you're talking here, I think. This guy? Technically, you could almost have gotten in anywhere there and you still would have got back to break even at least. Oh no, Wawa, I don't like to hear that. Even with all this red, I think it's still bullish if we're over 600. I mean, let's see. I mean, it's a pretty big pullback, but yeah, I mean, we're still heading. I mean, technically, a lower low would be under 400. So you're not wrong. And how many times have we seen this, right? Where it'll make a move like this, and then by the end of the day, we're back at the highs. All right, this is starting to feel like a reversal. Or not.
Gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing.
We'll play marbles here in a sec.
Pal, I eat
As
pieces
long
of
as
shit
we
like you
get
for breakfast.
You eat
some
pieces
kind of
of
a
shit for breakfast?
push back up.
No. Gay.
Hello, Steven. Long time no see. Usually I don't trade on non-farm payroll. It's very volatile. Yeah, I'm kind of enjoying it. This is nice. If I had like a 2 mil personal account, I would just be adding and adding longs at this point. I mean, it's usually a good plan. When is the members race? It was going to be at 10:30, but we've been trading. So I'm going to do a trader's launch giveaway, and then we'll do the members giveaway right after. This actually is starting to feel like it wants to go lower still. It can't break the previous candle. It tried. Buyers better step in if they want to get it to go back up here. Get up over 650. But see, they can't even break the previous candle. You can't break the previous candle. You're not going in that direction. You think it's just basing? Yeah. It could be. But here we go. I'm gonna zoom back in, see if we can't get a trade. Oh, all right. It did hold there again. There must be a decent little buyer sitting there. We did break previous candle, but it needs to continue. Sellers are just stepping in. I think the longs are just too trapped at this point. I think the longs are just trapped. And that was a big move. Buyers are going to have to work extra hard to get this to move back up because Once it starts moving back up, you're going to have people who have been averaging in looking to just get out for break even / little profit the whole way back up. So you're going to have to deal with them as well as short sellers. It's always tough to get the reversal after a big move because then you're just running into big boys with a lot of liquidity that are looking to save face as well. But they're trying. They can get back above here, 666. They should, in theory, get a nice little pop, at least up to around like 680s. But they are struggling. This might just dump. And I'm here for it. I can't walk away and go play Marvelous because this is, the opportunity is just too good right now. Come on. All right, now I'm going to look for the push down through. A little too close there. Kind of want more than that, actually. Another fake out. All right, we are kind of hovering. It just sucks because now we're kind of hovering, but very annoying. I was hoping for the big push there. Cody, it can't hurt. It's just, I mean, I'm telling you. So if the 100K, you get to 2,000 and then they reset it, you get to 1,000 and then you go live. That's it. So it's essentially, and it doesn't cost you anything else from that 2,000 to 1,000. So it's no different than passing an eval with $3,000 as the target amount. It's just the drawdown's a lot less. That's the only thing you got to deal with. And that's the thing. Daily payouts, uncapped payouts, like that's the big thing. So if you can get to a live account and you can run it up, I mean, there you go. So much green on that screen. I only got, I mean, decent amount, I guess. I wonder where that'll bring my consistency on that account. Because we were at 41.1%. That's a nice day. I had a really big day on that account, though. I had a $1,500 day. So I can make up to $1,500 a day and still bring the consistency down. But yeah, we just need to get that consistency down on that account. But we're obviously already at payout. We just need to bring the consistency down. And I don't know why this one account is still on here. It's breached from last week, but it won't go away for some reason. All right, last chance. See if we break 600 here. If not, we're going to go play marbles regardless, because I don't want to keep you guys here forever if I'm not going to do the giveaway per se. Traders launch is great, although they owe me some money since I haven't made it to pay yet. I hear that. The Dow gave up on the entire move from yesterday. Damn. Let me look at the daily real quick. Yeah, we're not anywhere near that on the NQ, but damn, if we're that far on the Dow, that's kind of crazy. I just saw... Okay, Morning Bear, I just got your trade. Nice. Or, not trade. I just got your message. There you go. Got you paid up. Let's see if we can get a push down through 600 here. No problem. Congrats on winning, man. It's awesome. Dude, there's nothing that really makes me happier than doing giveaways. It really does. Did you trade non-farm payroll? I traded after. I don't ever trade like the actual news. But I will not be afraid to trade like after it's kind of made its move. Give it like 10 minutes or so, and then I'll trade the moves it makes after that. I never want to trade like the actual candle. That's just gambling. I like gambling, but not with my money. It doesn't make any sense, does it? Do I have marbles? I don't even have marbles ready. I'll start getting it ready while it's trying. Exclamation point marbles. I'll give you another 30 seconds to type it in if you haven't already. It'll still get you in this race. This is for a Traders Launch 100K account. It's kind of hard to say because it like, do I say Traders Launch 100K, 80% full hours? This is what I was telling Josh. I was like, it's always a little difficult with those types of accounts because it's like there's so many different options. But I'm assuming they did it so that they could bring the price down a little bit if you really want to. You guys, most of you should already be in the marbles race, but I'm just, for the people who weren't, I was just giving them a quick opportunity to get in there. What is that music playing in the background? You guys hear that? Is that my live stream?
You gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing.
Oh, I think it was... Oh, it's marbles. It's marbles playing that music. I was like... Juggy! I'll get you in there.
Trouble though, pal. I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit
There's
for
the
breakfast?
600 break.
No.
Engulfing candle. Engulfing candle. Engulfing candle. Engulfing big candle. Engulfing big candle bounce.
Gay.
Every time, man. Every time. All right, let me start adding some names. Cha-ching. All right, back down. I'm looking for lower now. Put my order out. Let me see. Liz, Jesus. Exclamation point stop loss. That'd be a big one, actually. All right, we got Donald, Zay, Emmy, Waffles, Jen, Jason, Josh. You're in there, right, Josh? Yeah, from earlier. Just making sure. Cody. Cody was number 1. And yeah, Steve, Liz, and Wawa. You're here, right? Get Wawa in there. Liz is gonna make me turn off the stream. I know. He tends to do that.
Order filled.
I think I'm here. I think I can. I think I can. All right. I got marbles ready. Let's get it going. 64. We're going to do the actual giveaway race this time. All right, it's bouncing, so let's just go. All right, while this race is going, the next race is going to be members only for a 50K straight to funded account from Tradeify. You have to be a member of the channel. Your name has to be green. If your name is green,
emotional damage.
If your name is green, exclamation point marbles. Get them in. The race that you're watching right now, this race is for the 100K Traders Launch account. Good luck. I hope you get past the start. Oh, I was about to say, no way you all get past the start. A lot of you did, though. Holy crap. Oh, there's another one.
He needs some milk.
He needs some milk. Why does that one keep playing and no one's typing it? I'm so confused. All right, this is for a Traders Launch 100K account. All you need is to sign up with Traders Launch and give me your email account that you use to sign up with them if you win. And as always, to get the best discount with Traders Launch, code VOLA. Didn't work earlier, works now. So you should be good. I am watching the chart still. Looks like we're going to possibly try to break the lows again. I'm looking for down towards 550 now. Just broke the lows. Can't get the extra push. Oh, Jen! 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 15 seconds. An engulfing big candle is forming. Jen! Jen's just going for it. The end is right there. All you gotta do is finish it. Ah! Frogo, no! Frogo said, hey, Jen, long time no see. All right, the bigger engulfing candle did not bounce right back up. Donald going for it. Donald going around the barrels like it's his job. No! Frogo as well. Frogo making his presence known. Lion Spirit, no! Off the side. Jason going for round 2. Jen, back up there, Jason. No, Frogo, Greed. Greed, can he fall in? The barrel's gonna beat him, but he doesn't. Greed, winner, a chicken dinner. Let's go. Get greedy, son. Greed, winner of the 100K Traders Launch accounts. Congratulations. The futures desk in the house. What's going on, the futures desk? Let's go. So, Greed, I need you to type in the chat, and then I need you to message me on Discord. I'll show you what you got to do, but I need to see you type in the chat first. Is Traders Launch like the futures desk? No, not really. Traders Launch reminds me more of Take Profit Trader. It's just their trailing drawdowns a bit lower. By a bit, I mean a lot. Greed, congrats, man. All right, Greed, what I need you to do, Steve, I'm going to start. Oh, hold on, I'll hit refresh. I need you to go to your YouTube page like so. And I need you to go up top over here to the right where your avatar is. I need you to click your avatar. I need you to take a screenshot of all this and send it to me on Discord. Along with that, I need your email that you use to sign up with Traders Launch. And I will get you all set up. Congrats. Yeah, we got Traders Launch in the house. We got the futures desk in the house. Hopefully we got a trade in the house here. We can get a dumpski down through 550. Well, Cody, we're about to do the 50K straight to funded giveaway. Let me hit refresh. All right, I'm going to cancel it and start it over because I don't think people heard me. All right, members only. Members only giveaway. 50K straight to funded, lightning funded, whatever you want to call it, account from Tradeify is the giveaway. Exclamation point marbles. Cheeky peeky, of course. We do this every week, guys. Every week. I do random giveaways throughout the week too, not just on Fridays. So if you come support me, I do my best to support you guys. If your name's green, exclamation point marbles, get them in. The futures desk. The futures desk, you can afford it. Join button's right below. Turn yourself green. Red day here so far. In Despair says, think I'm done for the day. Pretty sure I got a broken big toe. Ugh. So ugh. You'd be really good at taking a lie detector test today. Won't they say if you can like create pain somewhere else in your body while taking a lie detector test, you could pass it? I'm sorry to hear that, sir. Hey, just clear your mind. Have a good weekend. And come back fresh on Monday. That's all we can do, right? All we can do. You can review your trades if you like doing that. If you're to that point, if you're past that point, then just clear your mind. Come back fresh on Monday. Exclamation point marbles. I got 9 so far. I got Cody, Wawa, Donald, Zay, Jen, Emmy, VIP, Josh, Liz, and Waffles. What's up, Waffles? How we doing? It's 10 now. We got 10 in there. That's not including Donovan, Karen. Who else are we missing? We're missing some other members too. Traders Launch in the house. Let's go. We got Josh. We got Traders Launch. We got all kinds of people. Now Raj messaging me. Was that him? He wants to do some giveaways. Let's go. Let's go. It's that kind of day. It's that kind of day. Raj, are you the one on the account in here? If you are, do you want to do it on X? You want to do another X giveaway for like next Friday? Or do you want me to just do it here live on stream? Karen wasn't green this morning? Oh, I didn't see Karen this morning, did I? He said, let's do both. This guy. Traders Launch. Convince Cody right now to buy an account. He's on the fence. Push him over. We also want to find a way to give everyone credit who didn't get one that enters. Also, hold on. I'm buying a membership before you spin. There's no spin. It's just members. Let's go. Get it. Get it. Get it. That's convincing. Donald says you need it. Don't forget to use code VOLA. Cody, hope to see you getting daily payouts with us soon. Ooh, throwing the daily payouts in there. I'm not going to lie. It's attractive. It reminds me of Take Profit Trader, and Take Profit Trader is one of the top props because of the daily payouts. And no cap. I mean, come on. I mean, there's definitely something there. There's the futures desk. Let's go. Let's go. May the ticks and the marble rolls be with you, my sir.
A member.
How about just free accounts for everyone in here right now? Well, I'm about to give 3 $200 credits to the futures desk. We already gave out 100K from Traders Launch. I mean, guys, this is a good stream. Cody said, "What? A prop firm is about to win." I mean, hey. That would be pretty sweet. I think it'd be pretty cool because so if a prop firm won and he obviously doesn't want the account, I'm totally letting him choose who gets the account because they don't know who any of you are anyway, right? Well, at least not yet. Make yourself known. Traders Launch, you got to be green for this one. You got to be green. This is a members only giveaway. So the reason, for anyone who's curious, the reason I do these members only giveaways for the really big accounts is because there's a lot of people that like to come into the chat and they'll have like 5 to 10 alt accounts and they'll enter their alt accounts into the races. So I put a little, what's it called? Not a gate. What's it called? Paywall. I put a little paywall in there because the odds of them paying $10 a month for all their alt accounts is not high, right? So this is my way of making sure that if you support me and my channel and what we're doing here, I want to do my best to support you as well. And I don't want people who are essentially cheating the system to always get the accounts. Wait, you pay $10 a month? No, it's free. Just forget about it. If I use an alt that is a member, would you allow that? I've told people in the past I have no problem with that, and it's not because of the money. It's because you are playing by the rules. And as long as I know that you're someone who supports me, then that's completely up to you. You want double the chances by paying another $10 a month with an alt account? That's completely up to you. I just didn't want people coming in here with 10 5, 10, 15, 20 free accounts. Because if you guys remember when I was running the giveaways, you know, about a year ago, the reason I started making those changes to begin with was because we'd have 20 people in the chat and we'd have 100 people in the race for the giveaways. And that was just out of control. Ever since I put the paywall up, it normalized, right? I don't have to worry about that anymore. Cody. That's why my account is not balanced. Have to hide from the live. Got to use my $200 for your giveaways. Let's go. The giveaways, man, I'm telling you. They pay for themselves. Jack! Bringing it in. Let's go. Jack's in here. Yeah, that was a nice hold. It finally held. Finally formed a base, and we are looking like we're trying to go back up here. That was still a pretty big push through 600. It just never gave me the big push, right? I predict you winner today. Dang, Jack. You got 3 minutes. Get them in. If you're not a member, you can still become a member. We would need a list of emails to do the giveaway to everyone, and that was supposed to be... Oh. My bad, Raj. He's like, that's supposed to be a secret. My bad. I'm in talk mode. I'm reading everything out loud. Well, we can't do that. Can we do it on the stream when I come on? We'll send everyone over there and they can sign up via your the way that you do it. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. It'll be a lot easier that way. So when which day was that? That was Thursday? Let me check. I have it on the calendar. I just gotta check. The futures desk. I'm gonna go on to the futures desk on, where is it? It's gonna be after my stream.
Johnny S became a member.
Johnny S, welcome back, sir. How have you been? Why am I not seeing this? I know I added it to the calendar, so I thought Wednesday at noon. It didn't go on there. What the heck? All right, well, let me add it now. That would have sucked. I mean, I obviously would have talked to you before then, but oops. Just need to edit the time. So the futures desk next Wednesday, the 10th, September 10th. Hey, that's my anniversary. At noon, we will be doing a giveaway over there on the futures desk stream. So mark that on your calendars. Just in time for the cruise. Yeah, I really want to bring the laptop and maybe try to do something on the cruise. We'll see. Just busy working all the time. I feel you, man. I feel you through my wife. My wife is upstairs. She's always working. She's always stressed out. So I get it. Josh said, enough people, no more members. You're decreasing my odds. All right, 30 seconds. Let me see what my friend Dave said real quick. Ooh. Wawa, you're already in there, I think. Yeah, you were a second one in there. Man, look at this move right back to the lows again. What would I be happy with? 30, like 35, 34, 34, 35. Nice little stop out there. Saw the stop out wick. It's not wicking, it's still going. Go, 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 go. I would just be looking for the 50 retest if we can get the push. There's the new candle on an engulfing big red candle. Is it gonna bounce like always? Yep. Oh, go, go. Break 50. Go. Go. I don't like where my order's at now. Honestly, that's not a big enough candle for me. We'll go there. I'm gonna pull marbles up, but I don't want to miss a trade. Come on, push down there. Push it. Push it real good. That's one we could add. I wonder if that's a sound clip already. Oh, and the Jason song. I forgot about Jason. No. No. I should have left it at 35. Dang it. No. Oh, man. That would have been beautiful. All right, let me get the marbles going. That's frustrating. That's frustrating. That's what we look for, those quick little wicks. All right, Cody. Wawa. Donald. Zay. Like Zay Flowers, baby. You gonna go crazy this weekend. Jen. I'm watching the chart still. Emmy. VIP. Josh Allen. You know, if there's one game a year, I hope, or at least 1 or 2 games a year, I hope you don't do well. It's this one. You're playing Sunday night. You know what? Look, I want you to score 5 touchdowns, but I want you to lose the game. Can you do that for me? TFD, the futures desk in the race. If TFD wins, they get to pick who wins the account. So you better suck up to him. Johnny. Oh, I didn't. I'm so busy watching the chart here. I don't know what I'd be happy with here. I guess through 500. Zoom in a little bit for you guys so you can see a little better. Just can't get the extra big push down towards the bands. It's just not happening like it was earlier. NQ needs some milk. Oh, that's no good. That is basically a break of 600 and a fail to get back over 600. Yeah, essentially. Oh, right. Off of the levels you were talking about earlier. Jason Derulo. So I can remember that. And then push it real good. Futures desk, I can show you how many accounts I've blown with you if that helps. Well, if you use code VOLA for your next account, you'll pass it. That's just how it works. I don't even know where I'd want to put my take profit if we get this entry. I'm not going to lie. Go to 85. Did I win something? No, not this time. I want to start with futures desk, but I really need to get a nice strat, which is proper so that I can be a good customer. I'm going to tell you right now, the futures desk, it almost in a way attracts the more professional trader because I don't know, there's just something about it that when I'm trading on their platform, it just makes me feel like I better do well. I'm not going to lie. It just has that feeling. Something about it. I am funded. I'm in the sim funded account with them. I just haven't taken any trades on it yet. Here's that. I showed this to you guys. Was it yesterday or the day before? But we are there. We're just 0% complete. I haven't taken a trade on it yet. All right, let's play marbles. I'm gonna keep it up. Let me hit refresh, make sure I didn't miss anybody. I got the chart up just in case. I'm essentially right now looking for the big push through 500. All right, we got everybody. Go ahead and cancel it. Got 27. Wait, how's it 27? Did I put me in there again? It should not be an odd number. Oh, I got Jack 1 in there twice. Jack, you trying to cheat? You put your, how'd you do that? How'd you take control of my mouse and keyboard? Futures Desk, awesome supporting accounts. It's true. And the website is pretty amazing. You're not wrong. 26. Oops. All right, here we go. This one's for all the marbles, pun intended. You win this, you are the proud owner of a 50K straight to funded / lightning funded, whatever you want to call it. I'm trying to make this fit my screen a little better. Lightning funded account from Tradeify. All you gotta do is message me in Discord. I'll get you hooked up. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. They have practice accounts, Wawa. I'm pretty sure. Good luck. Good luck. Ah, no! Blasted to the heavens. Wawa, Cody, Emmy, Johnny, Waffles, Donald. I don't see any doubles in there, so that's good. So that means everyone still has an account, a marble on the track at least. Liz popping off to the lead first. Not anymore. Josh out in the lead. That actually wasn't that bad. Only 6 marbles. We've seen way more than that. Donald out in the lead. Speaking of Donald, can I add that one? That don't make. Is this a sound clip? You're in first. You're getting blown backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. That link doesn't work for me, Donald. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it like pops up, but then it goes away. It's not working for me. It's weird. Zay! Zay going for it. Zay number 2. So I know I said you get 2 extra marbles for the account giveaways like this. I just give you 2 marbles. It gives you 2 chances. Liz trying to pop out in front. Liz has definitely won a couple of these accounts in the past. Anyone else close? Oh, backwards. That puts Zay back in the lead. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. Johnny now out in the lead. Look at all these barrels. They're stacking up. Oh, chart tried to go higher. Getting rejected right back to the lows. Johnny going for it. I see no barrels in the way. No. Oh, he goes around it. Oh, backwards we go. Anyone close? Not really. Not really, Johnny. Just get moving forward. Oh, forward, Johnny. Forward. There goes Cody. There goes Cody. There goes oh, there goes Cody. Hit the wall, bounce out. Hit the wall, bounce out. There it is. There it is. Oh, how did that make you go backwards? It was so far away. No, Cody. Oh, back forwards. Anyone close? No, TFD looked back just in time to watch you get absolutely wrecked. Cody! Cody hit it! Cody! Cody! Winner! Let's go. Almost got froggoed. Worked out perfectly. Cody dinner. I don't even know what to say. Congrats. Let's go. That's overdue, my friend. It's been a while. Let's go. And a boy, Cody. Guess I'll trade with Tradeify instead. Yeah, it's true. He was due. He was due for one. Nothing like a little $500 account coming your way. Obviously, it's like $300 after you use code VOLA, but now it's free for Cody. Let's go. A boy. Zay, third place. Close, but no cigar. There it is. Cody with a time of 3:04. Let's go. It'll come, Zay. It'll come. Everyone seems to find a way. Oh, you found it on my instance? That's even better. That don't make no sense. I love that. Yeah, it worked. I'll definitely add that. Here, I'll add it right now before I get out of here. Because I'm watching the chart still, so. That don't make no sense. If you guys want me to add a sound clip, send it to me on Discord. Send me the myinstance.com. Send me that. Send me the link to that, because that's where I get mine from. Big candle. We got 25 seconds left on this candle. Looking for the bigger push down through 500. Didn't even get through. 505. Being a little risky here with where I'm getting these entries, but I'm just using the key levels. Come on, pop it down there. Dang it. That might be... This might be a fake out. This might be a liquidity grab, because look at all that volume that came in there. That was a nice volume candle. Didn't really go that far below the lows. This might pop back up and start an actual reversal. We haven't had that exact thing happen yet. Every time we broke the lows, we didn't get the big candle and pop right back into the range. Could be the signs of the reversal. This definitely makes losing my pro accounts much better. This is very true. See? Found a way to put a smile on your face today. Okay, I'll get rid of that. Let me add this sound real quick. That might be the sign of a reversal. That don't make no sense. I'm going to make it exclamation point sense. Or I'll do no sense. Don't do it yet. It's not in there yet. That don't make no sense. That's a good one.
That don't make no sense.
All right, it's in there. Exclamation point, no sense.
That don't make no sense.
That don't make no sense. You changed your name on Discord too? Couldn't find VOLA? Yep. Yeah, sorry. All right, Cody's taken care of. Congrats to Cody. That don't make no sense. And there's the reversal. I told him I should have put my money where my mouth is. Who won the there's Greed. Greed, got it. I just need your email address. Are you still in here, Greed? Alrighty. Wow, what a day. What a day. This was a good day. Up $1,000 on the funded accounts. Gave away a bunch of accounts. Giving away more accounts on next Wednesday. That was a ton of fun. I know it sucked for you, Cody, with the pro accounts, but it turned around a little bit, huh? You know what? Let's run one more normal marbles. For anyone that's still here, let's run one more normal one. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 10 minutes. We'll do one more. While we watch this perfect reversal off the exact candle I said might be the reversal. Damn. It's okay. At least I know I'm seeing something right, you know? Is it Kanit? You don't need to, it's not start marbles, just regular exclamation point marbles. Agreed. I'm trying to log into the dashboard so I can possibly get you a link. I see your thing beeping up there. Are you waiting for an answer on something? There we go. All right. Get them in, exclamation point marbles. This will be our last race. I'm going to get out of here after this. See what the wife wanted. See what she wanted. Yeah, so for Traders Launch, just to update you, I meant to say this earlier. The affiliates get to choose the percentage that they want to give off versus how much they earn. And I always lean towards giving you guys more of a percentage than I can get. So they basically take 30% and they allow me to split it how I want. So I'm giving you guys 20% off and I get 10%. So I always like to go on that side of things. So hopefully the idea with that is, I'm always trying to help out as much as I can anyway, but most affiliates I feel that are given the opportunity are probably just going to split it 15-15. And my thought process is this is just from a business standpoint. I'm just being transparent with you guys. People are going to sign up more if they get 20% off instead of 15%. So over time, I will get more volume with my code versus someone else. But at the same time, I'm also helping. The first thought is I'm helping you guys out. The second thought is the business, right? It's always, with me, it's a little bit easier because thinking of how to help you guys out first always usually ends up working out in my favor with the other stuff. So, but that's the idea of it all. I am Z, exclamation point marbles. We're going to do one more race. Hopefully we can give away some cash. I had to go to the job site, see how it's doing. How's it doing? I asked you yesterday, you just ignored me. Cody, I've heard for that stuff, people try to get me to drink it all the time. Honey, garlic, and like apple cider vinegar or something. Right? Exactly. They're always trying to get me to drink that. I'd rather just cure it with 3 accounts. Yeah, every time I'm sick, they're always like, oh, just do this or just do that. And it's always like some nasty concoction. And I'm just like, get away from me. Get away. All right, now let's see what my wife said. After I tell you, you got 5 minutes and 40 seconds for marbles. Get them in.
don't make no sense.
That don't make no sense. Donald, what are you trying to do? Because you played those two back to back last time. Are you trying to make it say something? Or are you just like those two? You're making a nice push back up. Dang. All right, 4 minutes. I'm gonna see if I can find these sound clips real quick. Wiggle, wiggle. That's gonna get me copyrighted. Jason. Talk dirty to me. They all say Jason Derulo, not just Jason. And it's not the girl saying it. It's when he says it himself. Let's look for Push It. Shit. No, it's gonna get me. It's gonna copyright me if it goes too long. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Let's get that one. I don't know if that'll copyright me or not. Guess we'll find out. I guess we'll find out. Push it. Man, nice reversal there. All right, exclamation point, push it. New sound clip. Staying longer just because we did some giveaways and the price action was pretty good, so we actually made some trades.
So now push it. Push it good. Push it real good.
Hopefully that doesn't get me copyrighted. It might. We'll see. I might have to get a shorter one if it does.
Gay!
Gay! Yeah, it is slowing down. I can't find the one that I was. I'll have to look at it another time. Oh. The heck? My com- Who's hacked? What is happening? My screens keep going black randomly. Something's going on with my computer right now. So it's something's going on. I don't know what's happening right now. If I keep talking, can you hear me? It better not be a virus. My screens are literally just shutting off and turning back on. I don't understand it. Is it done? Nope. I don't know why it's doing this. I know what did it. It took a sec to click. I brought Netflix up on my screen, and Netflix and OBS, they don't go together because it thinks you're trying to stream Netflix on OBS. That's what it was. Okay. I was like, what is going on? All right. That got scary for a second. I was like, what the heck is going on? All right. Marbles is up. Let's get this race moving. See, here's what I'm talking about. We got 45 entries, and there's 15 of you in here. It's okay. It's okay. I know all the members are already in there, so I don't have to worry about that. I do have to load marbles back up, though. Okay, hopefully all the names are still in there. Man, look at this reversal. Looks so pretty. Remember I said earlier I wouldn't be confident because there was no volume in that candle? That time there was volume in the candle, and there we are. There we are. Oh, let me add myself back too. There's going to be a lot of people in this race. 74. Let's go. Yeah, this market is no good to me anymore. Unless we get like a crazy push to the upside right here, then I wouldn't be afraid to short it either. But I don't think it's going to happen. I think we're just going to move slow because it's Friday. All right, here we go. Good luck. We'll run it twice. And then I'm out of here. Run. Sanjay! What's going on, man? Sanjay in the house. Blind. I'm blind. Today was a good stream. We almost got up to like 30 people today. See if that can continue. I'm still confused because most people that stay streaming longer into the day get more people coming in. Mine's always the opposite. But I guess it's because everyone probably knows that I leave. I've thought about streaming for longer, and I might. But I just have so many other things to do. And the trading
That
sucks.
don't make no sense.
The trading just sucks in the afternoon. So it's like I always feel like why bother? Like, why sit here and stare at a screen for 2-3 hours while the chart's doing nothing? Like, the whole point of the stream is trading. I mean, I love doing the giveaways and these races and stuff, but it's not the main reason I'm here. Here to make the money. Money. What? I've never seen someone get hit up in the air like that. First time for everything. I don't think that's going to be good. You're going to have to hit like perfectly here. Nope. Z's flying through the air. Looking good. Looking good. Zay's in there. Zay's got 2 marbles. Can they both make it? Can they both make it? At least one? Anybody? Bueller? Jen? Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Stay up. Yes. Everyone's hitting that like perfect today. We got Droplin is dead. Josh, where are you at, Josh? You got a chance? You do not. All right, Jen, you're our only hope. Let's do it. We've had, what, 3 people make it to the end today. Just didn't line up. Wow, chart ran right back into that 640 resistance. Ugh, no, I thought it was going around it. Ugh. All right, one more. One more. Let's get it. Zay, you had 2 chances back to back. Couldn't get either through. It came back. If you watch it back, Jason, the laser started to come backwards again. I saws it. I saw it. Ooh, nice little pop up there, back to that same 640 resistance. I'll be happy with today. Nice start on that new funded account that I bought. And we're 875 in on the one of the bigger accounts that we had the big trade on. So that should bring the consistency rule down quite a bit, actually. Pretty excited. That one's almost at payout. The big account's almost at payout. Take profit trader. We're 1,000 away from the buffer to start taking daily payouts there. Things are starting to come together. Starting to come together. Sunday night, I am pumped. I'm going to be tired Monday morning when I come in with you guys, but it's going to be worth it because it's going to be a game where Josh Allen scores 5 touchdowns all running, but loses. I don't care. Honestly, fantasy is a second thought to me. But I do have him in my big league in fantasy, but I really don't care. I'd rather Josh Allen get 0. He could have -10 for all I care. Against the Ravens, all I care is that the Ravens win. Everything else is secondary. You know what matters most to me in life right now, though, is the damn Orioles. Oh, damn. Because I've seen the Ravens win 2 Super Bowls. I've seen the Washington Capitals win a Stanley Cup. I have not seen the Baltimore Orioles win a World Series. Cheeky Peeky! Come on. Come on, Cheeky Peeky. Get cheeky. Oh, you're going to hit the wrong one. No. Cody? Come on, Cody. Come on, Cody. How about, no, I was going to say, how about, oh, Zay and VIP. I was going to say, how about you win the account and the cash money? Zay, no. Steve, no. Are you kidding? We're not going to get waffles. We had so many chances. We're not going to get one of them. Get in. Hit. No. 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 All right. I think that's going to do it for me. Ravens 2000 was an awesome season. It was. That's the other thing. Like, we've had such all-stars on all the teams. I got to watch Alex Ovechkin since he came into the NHL. I got to watch Ray Lewis since he came into the NFL. I didn't get to watch Cal Ripken his entire career, but I grew up watching Cal Ripken. Like, just amazing. But I've never seen them win a World Series. They won right before I was born, and they've never won again. Haven't even come close. You know, everyone hated on Flacco, man, but he was so good. I loved Flacco. He was very Ben Roethlisberger-like. And the dude's still playing. He's still playing. Always the bridesmaid, never the bride? What does that mean? What does that mean? Me the whole time. It's a range of emotions. He made guys recognize. Exactly. Oh, he got paid. It's hard not to get paid when you win a Super Bowl. The bargain bin Aaron Rodgers. Sorry, not sorry. Aaron Rodgers sucks now. I would say Joe Flacco is better than Aaron Rodgers now. Aaron Rodgers was a beast in his prime, but he is not in his prime anymore. It means you never win. Brady, Manning. Yeah, that's God. I grew up watching Brady, Peyton Manning, all the greats, man. Like these people, LeBron James, if you want to go NBA, like Steph Curry. I even got to watch a lot of Kobe Bryant. I didn't really get to watch Michael Jordan, just the highlights. But these people are going to go down as the greatest players to ever play the game. I'm watching currently Shohei Ohtani, Aaron Judge. Like, it's crazy. They turned the lights off. They did. Did you ever see the meme where John says, "Mom, Josh turned the lights out again"? I was at that game. Did I ever tell you that, Tony? I was at that Super Bowl. I'm pretty sure I have a picture to prove it. It's kind of I always never put this.
That don't make no sense.
I never put this picture where I can find it easily. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Barry, yeah, I didn't get to watch Barry that much. That was a little before me. But I mean, he was amazing. I mean, I watched all his clips, all his highlights. Hold on, I'm pretty sure I can probably find it. Just give me a sec. Maybe. I don't know for sure. Oh, nope, that's not it. Damn it. I do this every time I go looking for it, and I never put it Oh, you know what? I think I threw it in. I think I threw it in a different folder as well. I made copies of it, but I think I threw it in this folder. Let me check. Because I got tired of looking for it all the time. Maybe not. Dang it. I really thought I did. Hold 1 second, please. Do this. Okay. I didn't even think about doing that. Let me try this. I swear I do this every time. I always end up going to look for it, and I can never find it. Oh, what? I didn't know it saved all those screenshots like that. Interesting. Where would I have put it? I know I have it. I just gotta find it. Is it here? It may be here. Nope. I probably could just go on Facebook and find it real quick too. That's OBS settings. Yeah, let me just go back on. I don't remember if I posted it on Facebook though. Photos, your photos. Scroll for a sec. Larry Bird? He was great. I always make you feel old. Barry wasn't. Oh, are you talking about Barry as in Larry Bird? Or are you talking about Barry as in Barry Sanders? I thought you were talking about Barry Sanders. But I didn't get to watch Larry Bird play either. So there's that too. That was a little before my time. Am I too late for Marvels, Don? Yes. Yeah, we're done. We're done with Marvels. I'm scrolling back looking for my Super Bowl picture that I know I've posted on, or shown you guys before. I always seem to lose it. And then I find it, and then I copy paste it to other places, and then I can't find it again. I think I'm getting close. You guys want to see me when I was skinny? Look how young I look. Back when I was skinny. Where you at, Super Bowl? You at? Did I seriously not post them on Facebook? I know I did. The Orioles game. This is a Ravens game. It was right before this. Yeah, there it is. Okay. All right. So it was also during Mardi Gras. I don't know if you remember, but Sanders before your time, pal. Yeah, exactly. Running stream? No, not today. So here's my pictures from the Super Bowl. There's Bourbon Street. Ravens 49ers. There's the poker room. I want to say it was a Harrah's there. I don't remember. There's the big football thing. There's the ticket. phone camera was so crappy back then. Look, I was kind of skinny there too. There was the 2000 championship ring. And here was our seats. We were in the Disney, Disney, their Super Bowl ticket suites, or their tickets that they had for the club level. I think they also had a suite, but we weren't that special. My dad made this happen. Yeah, look there. There's the win, baby. We tried to get down on the field, but... And this is why I love this hat so much. Because how many people can say they have this hat? A lot of people, right? A lot of people bought this hat. But how many can say it's from the actual Super Bowl? Not a lot of people know that. And I have it. It's right up there. It's sitting up there. You guys can't see it. Here, I'll show you. I haven't worn it since I bought it. Literally the same hat. I said the next time I would ever wear this hat is when they make it to the Super Bowl again. It's literally dusty. Clean the dust off. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. You know, it is that day. I mean, I'm wearing a Ravens hat, but let's see if I put it on and maybe it'll spark an actual Super Bowl run. I'll wear it for the rest of the stream. Oh man, it just feels good. It feels like a Super Bowl, baby. Feels like a Super Bowl. Let's go. CB girls. I don't know where that other picture is. That's not even the pictures I wanted to show you. Let me look a little bit more. Me and the wife are gonna go eat lunch, so I have a couple minutes. I just don't know where I would have put it. It's got to be in here. No, I checked here. Okay, Christmas. I just don't know where I would have put it. I thought I would have put it in here, but it's not. Phone dump. It wouldn't be a phone dump. I wouldn't have put it in there. God, remember back in the day when storage was sucky, so you had to actually like phone dump all your photos so you could make room for more? I had to have put it in here. I don't see it though. Did I put it in here? Oh, there's a picture of David. I'm just checking all the random spots. Hey Ma, we're going to me and Amanda were gonna go eat at crap, what's the name of it? The place off Benfield, the taco place, Senor Taco. All right. Yeah, it's so good. I don't know if it's different or what, but holy crap, I forgot about this guy. What was his name? Monkey Trader? Trading Monkey? No picture in there. I don't know where else to look. I'd be real sad if I lost it. I wonder, you know what? I wonder if I texted it to my dad at one point. I feel like he has asked me for it before. Do a quick scroll. Which vacuum? Oh, she must have just used it then. It should be plugged in. I don't know why it's not plugged in. Okay. Nope, not there either. I'm actually going to be real sad if I can't find it because I went looking for it online again before and I couldn't find it. You know what? Let me just go to this PC and just type in Super Bowl because I'm pretty sure it's named Super Bowl something. Like, I wonder if I lost it in the when I had to reformat, but I thought that was on the other hard drive. I hope the NFL is done with the Kansas City nonsense. One can only hope. Said I wouldn't wear it until we went back to another Super Bowl. Puts it on 5 seconds later. No, I do not have an LLC. Not yet. I've been in talks. I've been in talks. I'll just leave it at that. Run Marvels? Nah, I'm done. I'm done. I don't want to sit here because then I'd have to sit here for another 10 minutes and I can't because we're leaving in 8 minutes.
That don't make no sense.
That don't make no sense. Just wanted to feel it, man. I want another Super Bowl run. That's the first time I've worn this since I bought it. I never wore it. I literally never wore it. Know what it felt like. This is a nice hat. It's got like the NFL. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got like see the NFL logo like ingrained into the bill. Can you see that? Let me go. See that? That's so cool. And I don't think I ever noticed that until just now. Just because of the way the light hit it. Come on, Ravens. This is the year. All right. It's still searching. It's obvious it's searching all my hard drives. I'm going to go put this back. Fun fact, as it's searching, I have this one as well. This is what the Super Bowl hat looked like in 2001, but no items match search. Well, that might be a task for another day to try to find it because I don't know where else to look. But I'm going to get out of here. Appreciate y'all being here. I hope you all have a good weekend. I will be back on Monday. Same time, same place. I appreciate you all. Have a good rest of your day, like Cody is going to try to do. And I will see you all on Monday. Until then, it's lunch. Oh, it's lunch. But I'll probably enjoy dinner too, because pizza Friday. Peace!